अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। तो क्या हाल चाल है आप सबकी। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त, आपका होस्ट क्रिप्टो नॉलेज। आज मैं लेके हूँ लॉन्चपुल का न्यू प्रोजेक्ट जिसका नाम है गाटा। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। गाटा लॉन्चपुल प्रोजेक्ट हैशटैग 311 गाटा गाटा स्टेक USDT GT गाटा टू क्लेम एयर ड्रॉप। Get Launchpool is set to launch project hashtag 311 Gata users can stake USDT GT Gata to share 2.00.00 Gata tokens for free. Airdrop details staking period September 5, 2025 at 3 UTC September 15, 2025 at 3 UTC. Total staking rewards 2.00.00 Gata. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Stake to earn now. Unlock method. Unlock 100% Gata launch pull all users to stake in advance. You can stake your asset before the official launch of the project to ensure you can start earning rewards as soon as mining pings. Users who stake USDT or GT and choose to remains into simple earn 7 days fixed terms project can enjoy 35% extra airdrop rewards on top of their original staking earnings. Reward distribution. The systems will distribute tokens rewards to user support accounts on an hourly basis based on the proportions of assets they have staked. Newcomers exclusive staking pool. Only new users who sign up after September 3, 2025 at 00 UTC are eligible. How to participate? Log into your Get account and completely identify verifications negative and to launch pool. Hold at least zero point 0.1 USDT slash 0.01 get 1 Gata click stake. Exclusives Prig for USDT newcomers post stake to win 100 USDT positions. Ensures users who participate in the USDT newcomers pools and maintaining the communities staking durations of no less than 48 hours with an average efficiency stake amount of at least 100 USDT will be eligible to receive a 100 USD positions ensures the average efficiency stake amount will be calculated based on actually stakings and red portions during the commutations staking periods limited to 3000 spot on a first comes first right basis. Project information Gata is built advanced digitalized AI inferences and training technologies eligible large-scale AI models to collaborated efficiently across globally distributed GPUs. His official website https://www.get.xyz. Gata Labs investment disclosures. Gata Labs did not invest in Gata notes. Gata Launch Pool is an invitation staking airdrop platforms where users can early Earn airdrops of trainings and newly listed tokens by staking CTT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, GUSD, or other tokens with low entry barriers and high APRs. It's an easy way to capture marketing opportunities. USDT newcomers pools exclusives rewards will be distributed as position when shares eligible users will receive the airdrops within 14 work days after meeting the requirement. Partial red portions are allowed during the staking periods, but full red portions will reset the constantized staking durations meanings after meeting the requirement will not affect rewards distribution. Third, please complete identify verification before participating in launch pool to enhancing the security of your accounts and assets. Please follow the relevant rules of the event with participate. Any cheating behaviors is prohibited, which will result in disqualifications of the rewards in case of discrepancies between the translated and the original English versions. The English versions shall prevail. Uh, Geta reserves are right to final explanations. This event is not affiliated with apply inch. Users in the United Kingdoms and others registered locations connected access the service, including the participations in the event games or competitions. See the users agreement for further details on registered locations. Risk warnings. As a blockchain startup still in its early stages, the project may involve significant risk in versions aspect, including opportunities, underlying technologies, and the legal and regulators environment. Please, guys, like, share, follow, and live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please, guys, like, share, follow, and live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Risk warnings as a blockchain startup. Still in its early stage, the project may involve a significant risk in various aspects, including opportunities, underlying technologies, and the legal and regulators environment. Second, understanding blockchain startups and assessing their in inheriting risk require advanced technical and financial knowledge due to inference from technologies, regulatory framework, market conditions, and other factors. The project you participate in may experience a significant price volatility with prices potentially risked or finding share supply due to issues related to the underlying technologies of the project or the get training platforms. You may be unable to withdraw all or part of your assets from the project. Cryptocurrencies project are high risk by nature and cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project teams does not provide an from offer managing price commitment of downside protections. Please ensures you full understandings the risk and are comparable of branding systems before participating. So will the platforms strongly warns of potential risks? It cannot assume liabilities for any investment discussions or provide any gratizers or compensations. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Get Team September 5, 2025 Gateway to Crypto Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get Task Action. Now sign up and claim up to 10,000 and welcome rewards, invited friends, and earns a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Downloaded the Get app by desktop. Follow. Uh, us on X Twitters to get more bonus joining our Telegram community to discuss the trainings topics engaging with our globally committed for the latest insights transparency and security check our 100% proof of receivers. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Gata launch pool and Gata ongoing. Gata is building advanced digitalized AI inferences and training technologies enabling large scale AI models to collaborating efficiently across globally distributed GPUs. Official website extruders white paper announcement total rewards 2.00.00 gata starting time 5 September 2025 and ending time 15 September 2025 and it's in 3 days 11 hours 39 minutes. Pool GT Gata USDT is taking total staking rewards 1.00.00 Gata mining periods 10 days total staked 4.0 uh, 55.077.06 GT participate 18,006 068 price pool Horally cap 4166.66 Gata individually Horally rewards cap 499. 99 Gata APR 2.74% individually staking cap 2000 GT. White paper escalating AI through digitalizations. Welcome to Gata. Welcome to Gata. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. अब आवाज आ रही है? I'm sorry, guys, for mic थोड़ा सेट नहीं था. Welcome to Gata. Gata is building advanced digitalized AI interfaces and training technologies. Technologies and eligible large-scale AI models to collaborate efficiently across globally distributed GPS. Our version is to make digitalized inferences and trainings one of the foundational infrastructures for the trillions dollars globally AI economics reducing reliances or on traditionally centralized data centers and advancing AI towards a globally computerized uh, programs. We believe digitalized AI has strong potentially to capture significant values in the replaced growing AI economics, which is project to reach trillions of dollars by 2030, with a total addressable market exceeding 10 trillion. Jump right in. Introduction got away how architectures use guide easy and quick introduction. Introductions got way our background. Modern AI has achieved marketable breakthrough, but thus advanced rest on privileged foundations. Today, AI models are largely powered by data contract from centralized platforms of turns without transparency or concept of fairness. This centralized control created the survival circuitry problems. A few co-productions monopolize the world's most valuable standings. Data sets, valuable data remaining silos across disconnected ecosystems where users have title, visibility, or control over how their personal data is collected, strong or used. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for tuning my live stream. Most importantly, poor quality and based data leads to misleading and faces AI behaviors. To truly agency AI with humans values, we need more than better algorithms. We need better data foundationally. Thus, get Gata is created to address this urgent needs by offering some new paradigms. Artists users award AI data layers where data is created, verified, and owned by the community itself, not by centralized platforms. Through Gata, we aims to replace the infrastructures for frontiers AI grounded in openness, transparency, and trust. Data agent, Gata DVA uh, at the Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Uh, at Gata Data Agent Service has a tangible proof of concept. It aggregates computes for large scale AI inferences for currently operating in a fully parentalized manners without inter-nodes collaboration. DVA data validation agent is a get first data agent. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. It evaluates the quality of image captions data across the entire internet. Assigning a score between 1 and 1 DVA score are used to identify and selected highly quality data points from the internet pools which can then be used to pre-train various versions language as is such as stable differentiation tail e and gpt 4o DVA get a DVA platforms want to try get DVA hands to the data agents to start DVA mechanisms. Traditionally, data labeling is humans institutions instead of relying on humans labeling. Data agents leverage AI to automate the entire data generations pipelines. Users can simple contributed their idea computed throughout the browsers and participations in crowd securing high quality AI data when AI labeling over humans labeling AI generated data as a features as AI systems approach and superpasses humans leveling intelligence. The most valuable training data will increasingly be projected by AI itself. Cost efficiency and scalable AI driving data generations is dynamically more uh, efficiently and scales than humans labeling, making it a necessary foundationally for the next wave of the AI development. All in one chat receives three responses from ChatGPT Cloud and Gemini for every questions. All-in-one chat seamlessly integrated ChatGPT Cloud and Gemini into a single platform generation. Three discrete replies to uh, every questions you ask. Backgrounds when using say ChatGPT, you have notes that it sometimes generated two responses simultaneously and notes to you selected your preferred on one above the screenshot is an example. These stable processes allow OpenAI to collect humans performance data, which is fundamental for humans AI element essentially eligible AI to product output that is better alignment with human discriminate. These opportunities are key component of OpenAI data flow. I feel Geta offers a subside all-in-one chat services that make contributed your performance for some fortresses and rewardings for every questions you ask. You receive three distant responses from ChatGPT Cloud and Gemini, selecting your perfected responses because are naturally part of the interactions, allowing you to contribute valuable performance data without added affected. The more you chat, the more you earn points allocated from your interactions can be recommended for advanced AI subscriptions, creating seamlessly systems where you management drives both humans AI eligibility and tangibles rewards. Key features: drivers AI prefectives receive three responses from ChatGPT Cloud and Gemini at once. Augmented AI basis and again 3x in standards naturally human performance data contributions. The user's experience is designed to seamlessly integrated humans performance data contributions into the chat process. When in continuing the chat, users have to select their perfected responses, which is added to the chat history. Will unless unselected the responses are removed. This decision incentives truthful performance selections. By doing so, users automatically contributed valuable humans performance data. Will they chat, which is critical for advanced humans AI element, and you can as you chat. Positive feedbacks loops ensures the more you chat, the more humans performance data you contributed, and the more rewards you earn, creating a seamlessly built of predictive and in incentivization. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. GPT to earn. GPT to earn monetize your chat GPT conversations. GPT to earn is a Chrome executions designed to rewards GPT. Chat GPT users for sharing their conversations data is exchanging for data points. It's seamlessly integrated into the user's chat GPT workflow, providing a simple and rewarding experiences. Background: ChatGPT data is among most variable frameworks for humans AI interactions. Data on the human stable human side is represented the largest AI users community, which intersections that computers real world use cases and provided deep incentivized into how AI can better understanding and respond to human needs, interactions, and complexities. On the AI side, this data showcases the most advanced AI outputs in the world. This wealth of data has been a cornerstone of OpenAI's development, providing a significant communitative advantage by eligible the refinement and enhancement of AI models. Like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream, guys. However, will users created this valuable data? They have traditionally not been invested in its monetizations or rewards for their contributions. GPT to earn skills to bridge this gap by empowering users to voluntarily share their ChatGPT data and then exchanging for chat data points rewards. It not only ensures a fairly values exchanging for individually users but also provided significant opportunities for AI compositions to close the gap which opens AI by leveraging the highly quality real world humans AI interaction data. Key features get chat as usually users chat with ChatGPT as they normally would constantine conversations on any topics of instant. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. SSGPT to on after completing their chat, the users open the get Chrome's extensions which display their chat GPT conversations history selected and share users receive their conversations selected both those they wish to share and confirming sharings and rewards based on the quality of the shared data. Users are rewarded with get points. Users activity every 10 seconds a chat gpt users share their data with users see real time on chain actives her check more details data and user growth. Technically architectures get katas data agents systems eligible and the digitalized productions of large scale AI driving data or for AI trainings by aggregating some ideal computing resource from participating the data generations process consists of three core components: input data, AI computations, and output data. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Input data is please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Input data is stored on BNB. Green filed are distillized strong gauge chain with BNB ecosystem so to ensure the percentile availability and broader accessibility. Participating users their locally compute resources to perform AI computations on the receive input data processing it into valuables, AI outputs data, and proof of contributions are unhooked by on to BNB Greenfield screening, securing performance ownerships, and interrogated through distilled strong edge. Gata intelligence point is an intelligently created system that tracks your contributions to data validations and productions within the Gata ecosystem where you are running the DVA agents or participating in others intelligence data tasks you are effectually and recognized and recorded. Will intelligence point is not transferable or tradable, so it may play a significant role in future phase of the data networks. We encourage you to continue earning your contributions to today's cloud service as a valuable proof of participations down the line. Gata tokens coming soon. Use guides, data agents step 1 negative https slash app dot get xyz slash data agent. Step 2 click wallet connected. Step 3 click start DVA. The 4 Step 4 run DVA and unintelligence point. Step 5 click here if you want it to stop running DVA. Use guides referrally step 1 negative to https slash app dot gata dot xyz slash referrally. Step 2 click copy invited code. Step 3 share the code with friend and earn. Please guys like share for my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Roadmap. Gata is on a mission to build the distilled intelligence layer for frontier AI on one that is a verifiable collaborative type. The community ground our roadmap reflected a step-by-step approach for from code inferences, community governance. Our roadmap reflected a step-by-step approach from core infrastructure optimizations to the launch of a fully distilled inferences and training network. The path ahead pointalizes performance multi-node concentration, tokenized participations, and globally governance learning. The ground work for permissionlessly systems where claim users powered data driven safe and elevated AI system. Community and sport getting help have a questions meet a problem will using say found a bug or just questions about how to contribute it to get a where her for you. Whether it's your developers researchers or community evaluators, there are several way to get help or stay connected with the Geta ecosystems at support at the rate geta.xyz or our official discovered at https slash discovered.gg slash cmcm5gqm. Joining the community you can also reach out this is ideas or get real time help through to our community channels website https slash dot www.geta.xyz dashboard https:/app.geta.xyz slash data agent twitters https:/x.com slash geta xyz discover https:/discover.gg slash cmcm5gqn acknowledgement Geta is a provincial backed by a distinguished grow of inventors at the forefront of Web3 innovations, digitalized infrastructures, and AI element. We are deeply grateful for their trolley and login term versions. Please, guys, like, share from live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Our sport included YZI Labs, Gata Ventures, ITG Blockchains, Milestones, Manifold, and MH Ventures, Anti-Capital, Formlesses, Capital V, 3V Ventures, Divan Lash, Capital 071 Labs, uh, ECHO FAQs questions and that you may want to ask. Question number one, what is a data agent? A data agent uh, is a lightweight software models that runs on your device to help validate data process or generated AI trainings data. It eligibles users to contribute computers power and intelligence to the data networks in a digitalized way. Question number two, where to does Geta offer data agents? Gata offers data agents to scales the creditations and circulations of high quality data sets throughout a distributed community of what traditionally data pipelines are centralized and exquisite data agents transforms anyone's device input part of a collaborative AI data in Genix. Question number three, how does data agents work? Once installed, data agents connected to Gita's backend and pull small tasks like Valentine's imaging computations pairs. It runs local AI models completely the task, submit the result, and check agent process via a convinces it if your output allegiance with that's you on intelligence point. Question number four, how is data agent used by verified Web3 project or AI competencies? The data reference or generated by data agents becomes a part of Frontier's graded data sets used by today's AI labs and Web3 project, whether say it clean training data for models or new backmarks so for the open source development. Data agents makes or new benchmarks for open source development. Data agents makes it possible to crowdsource quality at scales with transparency variable performance. Question number five, what is a Gata intelligence point? Gata intelligence point is non-transferable created earns by users for contributions data or competence powered to the Gata ecosystem, such as sharing conversations, selecting AI performance, or running data agents like TVA. This service as a transparency record of your participations across different data dynamics. Question number six is, may personally data source will using data agent? Yes, data agents only process public available data such as imaging, coefficients, pairs, and do not access your private files or personal information. All tasks are sandbox, and your device privacy and security are fully respected. You are always in control. Question number 8, how to use a data agency to us data agent simple downloaded the software for the official Geta portals, log in with your Geta account, and start processing data task. The agent will automatically effected task like evaluating image captions, pairs runs them locally and submit results all in the background. Question number 9, can I install in data agents on multiple devices? Yes, you can. And telesim data agents on multiple devices as long as they are um, linked to the same GitHub account. This allows you to contribute more computing power and potentially earn more intelligence points in a fair and variable ways. Can I created multiple accounts to earn more? No, creating multiple account for the purpose of farming rewards is agents get us community guidelines and may ideals to disqualifications or blog stickings. The system says disjoint to do rewards guides contributions and misuse undermining the fears of the network. Are there any restrictions or limitations when using the data agency? Yes, to maintaining the fairness and systems integrated, there may be cloud downs periods between tasks to prevent service overloads. GPU capability may affected how efficiently you can process tasks. Confuse usage based validations means rewards are only given if you result agency with pre um, points are rewarded based on quality, not just quantity. Consistent accurate result matters. Makes a source to keep your agents update and follow official guidelines for the best experience. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Get launch pool FAQ. Question number one, what is get launch pool? Get launch pool is an annual staking and airdrop platforms where users can stake GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, GUSDT or other tokens to earn orderly airdrops of 10 new coins with low entry barriers and high APRs. The ultimate platforms for efficiently capturing some market opportunities. Joining now, question number two. How can I participate in a Get Launch Pool? First, log into your Get account and get you to the Get Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in. The stake your assets. Check participations guide. Question number three: which coins can I stake in Get Launch Pool? The tokens eligible for participation. Participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Get Launch also to view more details. Question number four: how many task tokens will be rewarded? Horally staking reward individually, largest 1 horse valid staking amount, total pools staking amount, horally rewards pool. The platforms will take multiple snapshots of personally staking amount each horse and tag the average staking amount as a wallet staking amount. Question number five: how are rewarded distributed? The platforms will take multiple snapshots to personally staking amounts orally and tokens rewards are distributed to eligible users. So orally earnings will be distributed into users support accounts. Question number six: when will the stake assets be remanded? After the users are remanded in advance or the staking is completely, the staking assets will be transferred to simple earn by default. If this option is unhooked, the stake assets will be remanded into sport assets. If the amount of remaining assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claims amount of simple earns, the assets will be automatically transferred to sport assets. Please guys like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. If Simple Earn does not support the claim of remainder tokens, the assets will also be automatically transferred to support as question number 7. Can I remainder must take assets at any time? The platforms will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount each holds and calculated the valid staking amount. However, early remainder portions may result in the loss of code rewards. Please maintain stable staking amount to ensure some mining rewards. Question number 8. Can I add additional staking assets? You can increase your staked assets at any time. The more tokens you stake, the greater your potentially mining rewards. However, once the rewards cap is reached, you will no longer receive staking rewards. Question number 9. Can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects going on at the same time, you can stake in different pools to receive new tokens mining rewards for multiple projects. Each staking pool needs to be staked especially if you only stake assets in pool a, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B respectively to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. Question 10. What is the maximum minimum rewards I can receive? The holiday rewards cap per users for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no features staking rewards will be created. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the rewards hard cap limited for each project. Question 11. Will stake assets in the get launch pool impact my VIP levels? The no assets stake in the get launch pool will be included in the assets holdings calculations for holders airdrops launchpad and VIP privilege. Question number 12. What will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early endings, your stake to participate will be automatically remanded as soon as the project is ended, and your listed instructor will be distributions on the horse after the any times the instructed distributions before the endings will not orally after the ending times the intelligent distributed before the endings will not be effective. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. About annually percentage rate APRs. One when the rewards currency is the stake coins APR total rewards resulted in the latest horse last horse total stake 365 dead multiply 24 multiply 100% proof. Question number 2. When the rewards currency is not the stake coins APR total rewards resulted in the latest horse X coins price of the rewards coins of the latest horse last horse total staked closing price of the staked coins of the latest horse 365 multiply 24 multiply 100% to note the APR is an estimated for differentially only the actually anonymized returns you finally receive shall privilege the APR data is updated wholly about transferring the remitted assets to simple earn for fixed terms. How to get a top bonus when you stake BT, SIM, GT, Ethereum, and USDT in launch pool. You will get a bonus which is still subject to the individually rewards cap per horse by choosing to transfer the remitted assets to earn simple unfixed terms. Please note that subscriptions to simple unfixable terms or Fixed terms once outside launch pool will not qualify for bonus. Question 2. Where did I receive a bonus after subscribing to simple unfixed terms when sticking if you are reached the rewards cap per horse no more bonus will be distribution. Please guys like share follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Announcement. How to participate in Get Launchpool. Get Launchpool is an investing, staking, and airdrop platforms where users can stake GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDD, or others tokens to earn hourly airdrops of what and new coins with low entry barriers and high payouts at the limited platforms for efficiently capturing some market opportunities. Please, guys, like, share, follow my live stream. Thank you a lot for joining my live stream. Launchpool uh, video tutorials. Uh, about Launchpool FAQs, what is Launchpool? Launchpool is platforms where users can stake their asset or provide liquidity to earn rewards in a new project tokens. Users can lock specified tokens in the Launchpool pools to receive corresponding project tokens rewards joining Launchpool now. Please guys like share follow my stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Question number 2. How can I participate in Launchpool? First log into your Guest account, negative to the Launchpool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and assets your assets. Question number 3. Which coins can I stake in Launchpool? The tokens eligible for participations will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Launchpool to view more details. Question number 4. How to get airdrop bonus? When you stake GTBT, Ethereum, and USDT in Launchpool, you will get a bonus which is still object Subject is to the individual rewards cap per horse by choosing to transfer the remainder assets to simple unfixed terms. Please note the subscriptions to simple unfixable terms or fixed terms. One outside launch pool will not quality for bonus. Please guys like share follow my live stream. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. ओके जी अल्लाह हाफिज़ फिर मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह ताला नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। दुआ में याद रखिएगा, मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम को लाइक शेयर फॉलो लाजमी कीजिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़, गुड बाय एवरीवन।